Hi everybody, welcome to Machine Blog.
The AHWI M650 forestry mulching machine, paired with the Fendt 930 Vario forestry milling machine, streamlines the process of grinding rootstock and clearing stumps in forestry operations. By pulverizing the wood material, including root systems, these machines facilitate rapid decomposition of organic matter into the soil. The AHWI M650's robust design and powerful grinding capabilities ensure efficient operation, while the Fendt 930 Vario provides optimal maneuverability and control in challenging terrain. This integrated approach not only accelerates land clearing, but also promotes soil health by enriching it with wood humus, fostering a sustainable environment for future growth. The MBR 900 drum cutting machine operates with remarkable efficiency, resembling a long-necked dinosaur as it devours tree trunks and stumps with ease. Its innovative design allows it to swiftly transform tree trunks into fine sawdust, a process akin to the gentle mixing of ingredients. This finely ground sawdust is then integrated into the soil, serving as a potent nutrient booster. The machine's operation begins with the feeding of tree trunks and stumps into its robust jaws. Next, the powerful drum mechanism swiftly grinds the wood, effortlessly pulverizing it into sawdust. Through this process, the machine effectively enriches the soil, infusing it with vital nutrients essential for plant growth. The MBR 900's streamlined operation ensures optimal utilization of resources while simultaneously enhancing soil fertility, making it an invaluable asset for forestry and landscaping endeavors. Witness the sheer power of the CBI 5400 crusher paired with the mighty Caterpillar 320E. Likened to a colossal hippo effortlessly devouring every tree stump in its path, this formidable duo transforms the arduous task of stump removal into a seamless operation akin to watching nature's most efficient predator in action. With its fast grinding capabilities, the CBI 5400 renders tree stumps into mulch with unmatched speed and precision. Each stump is swiftly pulverized into minuscule fragments, disappearing into the earth as if they were never there. The Caterpillar 320E, with its robust build and unparalleled strength, serves as the perfect companion to the CBI 5400, ensuring smooth maneuverability and optimal performance even in the most challenging terrains. Together, they form an unstoppable force, effortlessly conquering any forestry or land clearing project with unparalleled efficiency and finesse. Experience the unmatched capabilities of the CBI 5400 crusher and Caterpillar 320E as they redefine the standards of stump grinding, making tedious tasks a thing of the past. The Carlton 7015 stump grinder is a marvel of modern engineering, resembling a giant rodent as it effortlessly obliterates tree stumps with its powerful grinding mechanism. Watching this machine in action is akin to witnessing nature's forces at work, albeit in a mechanized form. In just a moment's time, what once stood as a stubborn obstacle in the landscape is reduced to mere fragments, ready to be assimilated back into the earth. As the grinder's teeth tear through the fibrous mass of the stump, they reduce it to fine sawdust, a process that mimics the action of a rodent gnawing through wood. This pulverized material is then scattered back into the soil, where it begins a new journey as a contributor to the Earth's richness. By breaking down these remnants of felled trees, the Carlton 7015 not only clears the land for future use but also plays a vital role in soil enrichment. The sawdust, now mixed into the earth, serves as a natural mulch, retaining moisture and regulating temperature. Over time, it decomposes, releasing valuable nutrients into the soil. These nutrients, once locked within the sturdy structure of the tree stump, are now made accessible to surrounding vegetation, fostering healthier growth and vitality. In addition to its immediate impact on the landscape, the Carlton 7015's work has long-term benefits for the environment. By promoting the decomposition of tree stumps, it accelerates the natural cycle of nutrient recycling, contributing to the sustainability of ecosystems. Furthermore, by eliminating the need for chemical stump removal methods, it helps preserve the integrity of the soil and prevents potential harm to surrounding flora and fauna. Thank you for joining us in exploring these incredible root crushers and destroyers. Today's video is over and we can't wait to hear what you think. How did you find this process? Please share your comments with us. If you find the content informative or interesting, show your appreciation by clicking the like button and sharing it with others. Don't miss out on future updates by subscribing to our channel. Your support means a lot to us. Stay tuned for more insightful videos in the future. Hello and see you in our upcoming content. Operating in the heart of Jay, Florida, the Savannah Model 1720 stump puller proves its mettle as it effortlessly tackles 20 to 28 pine stumps in tandem with the John Deere 1050 dozer. With unmatched efficiency, this dynamic duo outshines traditional pine loader methods, effortlessly churning through the land at an impressive rate. On any given day, this powerhouse combination manages to conquer 25 more acres compared to the conventional stump pulling techniques. While the average pine loader struggles to extract stumps of this magnitude at a sluggish pace of 1 every 4 to 5 minutes, the Savannah Model 1720 and John Deere 1050 dozer surge ahead, seamlessly pulling off the feat in record time. The synergy between the Savannah Model 1720 stump puller and the John Deere 1050 dozer is nothing short of remarkable, demonstrating precision, power, and proficiency in every operation. As they navigate through the rugged terrain of Jay, Florida, their synchronized movements paint a picture of efficiency and effectiveness, leaving behind a trail of cleared land and satisfied operators. In the relentless pursuit of productivity, this formidable duo stands tall, setting a new standard in stump pulling prowess. With their combined capabilities, they not only meet but exceed expectations, earning the admiration of those in the forestry industry and beyond. The Savannah Model 1720 and John Deere 1050 dozer, a testament to innovation and excellence in action.